There's challenges that we have in an automotive repair industry that some other businesses don't actually have. So it takes a lot of drive, it takes a lot of integrity, it takes a lot of grit to even be in this industry, whether you're a service advisor, whether you're a service advisor assistant, whether you're a QC technician, whatever, whether you're a technician, whether you're a shop foreman, whether you're a trainer, manager, I don't care what it is. There's lots of different challenges that come because you're not only dealing with cars that have their own personalities, you're dealing with people that have their own personalities. And let's face it, there's nobody that wakes up in the morning and views success as, yay, I get to go spend a couple $1,000s on my car today, right? Like that's not what they had on their bucket list of things to do that day, right? It's just not what happens. But it's our job to be able to like, listen, I know you didn't want to spend $2,000 today. I don't want you to spend $2,000 today. But listen, by us doing that, it's going to allow you to get closer to your goals, right? So, does that make sense?
Yep.
All right. Anything else you want to share to girls that are wanting to get started, trying to learn more, trying to figure out where they're at in life, trying to figure out their place in this world, trying to figure out how to quit vaping?
Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself to others' expectations of you either. Be your full self, as full as you can be.
So you have a habit that I've not ever seen anybody else do here. You brought it to the table yourself. You just did it, and I've been so cool with it. But you write a positive affirmation on a whiteboard up there up front for everyone to read every week, right?
Yeah, every week.
How long have you been doing that?
Since I noticed the whiteboard was there. So probably like a couple days after I started.
Where do you find these messages at?
Sometimes I think about them prior and I'll write them down in my notebook, or sometimes I really don't have any quotes for the week, so I'll find one on Google. Google is sometimes my best friend.
Okay, very good. All right. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I trust that this helped. We absolutely need more people like Miss Rain in this industry. We absolutely do. This is a difficult industry. It's not an impossible industry. It's a great industry. We position ourselves to be able to help people every single day because a vehicle is such an integral part of the American culture. Miss Rain lives like 20 miles away from here, right? Like, so if she doesn't have a car that is dependable and runs, you wouldn't be able to get back and forth to work, right? Like, where you live is not close to anywhere. We're in rural America, right? Like, cars and pickups and trucks are a big deal for Americans, right? And so we get the opportunity to pour into people and impact people every day so we can fix their cars so they can go to church and go to school, they can go to work, and go to the bank, and go to the grocery store, and go to funerals, and go run errands. They can go on vacations. So, do you have any road trip stories? Have you ever been on a road trip?
I've been to Kansas and Texas, but it was nothing too crazy.
Okay, that's cool. Everybody likes a road trip that, like, no cars break down, no flats, no dodging deer or mooses or anything like that. No moose in Kansas, right?
No, I don't think so. It's pretty flat out there, kind of like it is here. And then the Texas trip, I actually went to go see the National Drag Racing Association down there in Texas. So that was pretty fun, really loud, super loud, but it was so fun.
Okay, very good. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video.